Hello guys, today we're talking about the Ilife A30 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop, a device built around one simple goal, making everyday cleanliness feel automatic instead of exhausting. The more you use it, the more it becomes clear that this vacuum isn't about flashy tricks. It's about maintaining a steady baseline of clean floors so your home feels consistently fresh. One of the biggest highlights is its structured, confident navigation. Instead of randomly bouncing around like older robot vacuums, the A30 Pro follows organized cleaning paths, giving you more even coverage with fewer missed spots. Suction performance feels well-tuned for real daily messes like dust, crumbs, and pet hair, especially in high-traffic areas where buildup happens fast. On hard floors, it picks up debris efficiently, and on carpets, it provides enough agitation to keep surface dirt under control. The mopping feature adds another layer of everyday freshness, helping reduce how often you need to manually mop yourself. Setup is straightforward, and the dustbin and water tank are easy to remove, empty, and refill, which makes regular maintenance simple. Noise levels stay manageable too, so you can run it during the day without it taking over the room. Overall, the Ilife A30 Pro stands out as a practical, reliable robot vacuum and mop that quietly supports cleaner floors through consistent navigation, solid suction, and simple everyday automation.